morning, all of you.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, today we are going to do craft activity. Which activity?
Craft activity.
Craft activity. Okay. Craft activity we will make today two things, which one is aeroplane and second is boat. Okay. Which two things we will make? Aeroplane and boat. Aeroplane and Saad will teach us how to make aeroplane. Okay, start Saad. Look at the Saad. Okay, Saad has done it. Very good. Okay, flight Saad. Yay! Very good. Clap for Saad, all of you. Now Muhammad Ali will teach us how to make boat. Okay, let's start. Start. Ek. Show me. Very good. Okay, clap for Muhammad Ali.